What's good? This your guy PA Wave on Custom Beats. I'm just making a quick video. I got an email from someone that was struggling on tracking their audio files out. So I just thought I'd make a video showing them step by step. And if someone else is struggling with it, this is the correct way to do it. There's two ways that you can go about it. The first way is bouncing mixer channels. And what that basically means is that you're just going to select each instrument that you used. Every instrument that you used on that beat or that track, it'll be in here. So you just got to click that. Everything else stays the same except here. Go to 24. When you go to the next page, it has bit options, 16 or 24. Select 24 always. I'm not going to go into there. I used to do it this way, but I don't anymore. And the reason why is because you'll have so many individual instruments in your document area that it's not even funny. And you don't know which goes with which. So this is the way that I do it. It takes about 5 extra minutes, but it's worth it, and you'll be so organized. So therefore, if you gotta go to a track or you need to know what instruments were used in this track or anything of that nature, you'll know exactly where to go because it'll be in all one place, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So like for this track, what you want to do is for the individual instruments, you have to solo it out. So it's by itself. You don't want nothing else playing. And the reason for that is so whoever's mixing it, whether it's yourself or someone else, if you're sending it off, when they put effect on one thing, you don't want it to affect the other things because that might make it sound messed up. So that's why it's important to track it out individually. Now you have it soloed out, and what you'll do is you'll come to export song as audio file. You'll always do that, even when you get to the redrum. And I'm gonna show you why. And so after that, next to the title of the song, you always want to put what instrument it is. That's important. And then you're going to come down here for your format, WAV file. And then, like I said, in the bounce mixer channels, you'll do the same thing here, 24. And you'll keep repeating that. And you'll keep repeating that with every instrument that you used in the track. Now, for the redrum, you want to solo this out as well, but you also have to solo it out up here. That's where some people make mistakes at. You have to solo it out here, and then you have to repeat the process. And remember when I said always export song as audio file? See, when you get to the redrum, it gives you a little more options. But just always export song as audio file. And you'll repeat it for every instrument that you use in the redrum. Now, if you're a Kong person, like if you use the Kong, what you want to do is you got to go up here where it says pad settings. So say you have hi-hat rows or something here or whatever, you go in there and you mute out each one, or solo. Now when you solo each one, it's important you come back up here and push that off so it can solo it. and then you'll go back in and you'll repeat the same process for each instrument that you use in the Kong, if you're a Kong person. So that's how you track out each individual instrument. After you track them out, you want to create a folder. So no, let's just you want to create a folder, and then you'll take them from your document area, put them in the folder, and it'll look like this. You want to name the folder, the name of the song. If you're sending it off, it's important that you put the BPM of the song as well when you send it off. And then of course, you're going to take the folder and then you're going to compress it into a zip. So you go to your file and see you'll have the file highlighted with all the individual instruments, and then right here to say compress, and that's what you want to do. And this is what it looks like inside. So if there's ever a time you're like, well, man, I like how such and such sound in Gone. What instrument was that? You'll know exactly where it was. Instead of you have to search through like all your documents trying to, you see what I'm saying? You're organized. And so that about does it. If this helped you, please like it. If you know someone else that's struggling with tracking their stuff out on Reasons, please share it. If you have any questions for me, if I can help you, my email is below, all my information. Just shoot me an email, and hopefully we'll talk soon.